If you want to change the assignment due date for a single student or a group of students in Canvas, then you go into the assignment editor and then you scroll down to where it says assign to everyone. And you go to the plus add and you type in the name of the student that you want to find and click on that student and then give that student a new due date. So the old due date I can see was February 16th. Say I want to change that to the 23rd, and I'm going to save that. When you scroll back up in the assignment editor and then go back into the edit feature, you'll see that the assignment now says that it is assigned to John's student on February 23rd, but it's assigned to, now it's changed to everyone else on February 16th. So that's how you change the due date for a single student.